So here we are in right during Tropical Storm Gamma, and this short video is just an example of why choosing your solar installer and one that anchors your panels properly is so important. We're in a zone which is prone to tropical storms and hurricanes. This is an extremely powerful tropical storm. Apparently winds right now are about 5 kilometers per hour below the level to be a category 1 hurricane. So it's a strong storm, and as you'll be able to see as we look around my own installation, nothing is moving other than the trees. The panels are completely rigid. Actually here you can see the panels of a neighbor of mine. We did that installation as well, no problems. I hope everyone's panels are fine, but time will tell, because ours are built to withstand this sort of wind. So behind me you can see that Washingtonian palm tree being absolutely whipped by the winds, and you'll see these panels are not going anywhere. These are also one of our structures with custom aluminium frame, not going anywhere, despite the power of this storm and other things that are shaking around. One thing I'm a little bit worried about, that internet antenna does seem to be waving around a bit. Hopefully that's going to survive. Another angle of part of my solar installation. As you can see, very strong structure, nothing moving. I'm being blown around, the panels are not. So again, this is why the quality of your solar installation is so important. Choose Ecocentro if you do it right. Here I am underneath the section of my panels. Everything's fine. What is not fine is the antenna that was installed for my internet. As you can see, it's literally pulling out of the wall. So I'm going to have to take that down because this could blow down and damage my panels. So there is a good installation, there's not so good installation. Hello everybody. So it's now Sunday, and Tropical Storm Gamma has passed. As you look around, everything is much calmer, the sun is out, and just as a follow-up to yesterday, you can see my panels, my neighbor's panels, and my whole array here, absolutely in perfect shape. Nothing has moved. Everything's solid and in good and well, perfect shape and actually producing again. Sadly, that is not the case. I've had reports from clients of mine reporting in that their panels are absolutely fine, but that they have seen panels down in the street and in the gardens of other installers. Now, that does not make us feel happy at all. It makes us feel very sad, very frustrated, because there's no need. Proper installations should not be blown down in a tropical storm. So what are we referring to when we talk about proper anchoring? Well, here's an example of a very solid concrete base going up to a completely rigid structure, and then proper mounting rails clamped in place by a very significant and sturdy anodized aluminum clamp with stainless steel hardware, and that's how you get panels that are totally rigid, are not going to move, and are going to be safe in all conditions. That's what we're referring to by proper anchoring and proper installation. Proper wiring is also equally important. Here we have an Enphase IQ7 Plus unit, and there's several in this series, all connected together with the wiring harness. And then come to this box, you'll see that there is a proper gland on this, ensuring that the box is hermetically sealed, and then in this case all the circuits are collected together here and can be controlled independently. and then down to my main fuse box. The point being here, folks, that quality installations, the quality of the anchoring, the quality of the products used for the installation do make a big difference. And when you're comparing quotes, you need to take that into consideration. Unfortunately, for residential installations, there's no third-party verification. In commercial, there are, and we've always passed those commercial verifications with flying colors. And we know of some of our competitors in this area that won't even bother quoting for a commercial project simply because they know they wouldn't get through that verification process in a professional inspection. But believe me, yesterday I expect there were a lot of very, very nervous people with inadequate installations worrying about whether their panels were going to blow off their roof. And there is no need for that. Solar panels done correctly can fare very well here in this part of Mexico on the Yucatan Peninsula. So just let us do it right for you. We are Ecocentro, and we're happy to help you with all your solar needs. Thanks. Bye-bye.